How to change your username on X? Follow this step. To begin with, open the X app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Then tap your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. From there, look at the bottom of the menu and tap on Settings and Support. Next, select Settings and Privacy to enter your account settings. After that, click on your account to view Personal Account option. Now choose Account Information. Once you are in, tap on Username. At this point, erase your old username and type in the new username you want to change to. Finally, when you are satisfied with your new handle, hit Done in the bottom right corner to save your changes. And just like that, you have successfully changed your username on X.